हेलो दोस्तों, मेहमानों, लवलियों, खुश गैलदनेज़, वेलकम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मास्लेमा। आप सुनने वाले हैं गाना और दिस इज़ योर होस्ट हाना और वेलकम टू Wednesday 22nd July 2020's recordings and the song of this moment is मैं हूँ by Leo Twins. सुनते हैं।
Nescafe Basement, Season 4.
नहीं, वॉल्यूम मैं हूँ। Love it.
बातें वो फिर से सुनी, वो प्यारी बातें, यादें वो फिर से उठी, वो सारी यादें, उन सारी यादों को फिर से ले आओ आँखों में, बारिशों को फिर बरसाओ। मैं हूँ, तुम हो और कोई भी नहीं।
Wow.
मैं हूँ, तुम हो और कोई भी नहीं।
Oh my god. Oh my god. This part.
लम्हे वो रुक से गए, वो प्यारे लम्हे, सांसों में बस यूं गए, तुम मेरी तब से। ढूंढो वो लम्हे, पेड़ों की छाँव में बैठे हैं।
He's excellent, y'all.
बातें वो सारी जो तुमने कह डाली है कहाँ। मैं हूँ, तुम हो और कोई भी नहीं।
Oh yeah.
तुम हो और कोई भी नहीं।
Yeah, how can everyone be excellent? Love this. क्या बात है?
जी जान से मैं तुम्हें चाहता था, तुम्हें चाहता ही रहूंगा। हर गम तुम्हारा मैं खुद ही सहूंगा, हर पल खुशी तुझको दूंगा।
Look at the background, yeah. How smooth. अच्छा, एक तो ये the twins, and we all know them कि they are super duper excellent and talented. लेकिन the owner of this performance is none other than the singer. He was just excellent. यार, I mean, this should not be one take. Like, if it's one take, then mashallah, se nazar na lage. He did all the variations and we cannot add anything. He did the greatest job, I can say. Or the sounds, like, okay, you need headphones, you need hands-free to concentrate and listen to each and every detail, especially the sound designing, जो background में होता है, जो every small detail is really very important. Everything, all the instruments, all the equipments, the ones who sang in the background, लेकिन the singer, Richie, just phenomenal. And he made the song phenomenal. Okay, towards the end, when they kept singing "मैं हूँ तारा", and he did "ढूंढो वो लम्हे", it was really so full of values. Like the speaker in this song has grief, no doubt, लेकिन still he did not lose this faith and this hope. So ढूंढो वो लम्हे और मैं हूँ तुम हो और कोई नहीं. लेकिन टाइटल में सिर्फ मैं हूँ क्यों? I mean, सिर्फ मैं क्यों हूँ? Like that it should be मैं हूँ तुम हो. I don't know. Yeah, this may sound cliche, लेकिन I don't know. This is kind of logical. Maybe मेरे लिए. All in all, fantabulous, phenomenal, especially what they played, especially after the first part, when the instruments have the floor to play. At the end. And I guess Nescafe Basement should have the same attention and importance as Coke Studio, because yeah, this is even much better than many Coke Studio performances in terms of sound, especially sound. Like मैं ये सोच रही थी कि no one can beat Coke, लेकिन yeah, this is life and you have many platforms. This deserves to be heard and to be loved, in fact, and to be performed. अच्छा, एक observation और आप सुन सकते हैं. I will let you hear this. Do you remember or have you heard Jia Jale, the cover by Berklee College of Music? तो ये If anyone can tell me the rag, क्योंकि I'm just a listener, I'm not a professional or a deep knower of music. और आखिरी बात हमेशा की तरह, stay blissful, stay blessed, take care of yourself, and see you soon.
Follow me.